Hello everyone, Dave Grime from the Grime team here, and hey, happy fall. Today I have a showstopper to take you through that you're gonna fall in love with. Welcome to 10 Rose Ridge Lane here on a quiet cul-de-sac in North Mono, just minutes to Orangeville. Now, this place has a lot of features and we have a lot to get through today, so let's get right down to my top 5 reasons why this home is perfect for you. So, I mentioned before, here we are on Rose Ridge Lane in South Mono. And not a lot of people know about this quiet cul-de-sac, which makes it a hidden gem. Not only are we close to Orangeville for all amenities, but we're also minutes away from all the attractions that Mono has to offer. Hockley Valley Resort and Adama Winery is just up the road for skiing, spa, golfing, and fine dining. For more golf, Dufferin Glen is right around the corner. For you hiking enthusiasts, the Bruce Trail is just up the road, and Mono Cliffs Provincial Park is a short drive away. We have the Black Birch, Mono Cliffs Inn, the Vista Restaurant close by for more fine dining. Now I could go on about a dozen more attractions, but let's move on. Now my next reason is this stunning landscaped lot. 10 Rose Ridge Lane sits on 2.03 manicured acres and it's backing onto conservation. We have gorgeous perennial gardens, a welcoming flagstone front walkway that leads to the massive covered front porch, stone accent wall that leads to the fully fenced backyard with a 3-tiered deck and hot tub for entertaining and outdoor dining. And you'll see around 75 mature trees, dozens of species of them were planted throughout the lot for extreme privacy and an awesome park-like environment. We also have an oversized 3-car garage with main floor and basement access, 9x9 foot doors for larger vehicles, newer metal roof, soffit lights. I could go on, but you gotta check out inside, so let's head in. And my next reason is magnificent main floor living. The grandiose front entry leads to the large foyer. To the right, we have the formal dining room, but moving forward, we enter the awesome great room. A soaring 18-foot cathedral ceiling, built-in cabinets, a floor-to-ceiling double-sided stone fireplace is a great place to hang out and entertain. Also, the floor-to-ceiling windows allow in an abundance of natural light. But check out this custom kitchen. We have a great center island with seating area, top-of-the-line appliances, granite counters, backsplash, gorgeous custom lighting, and more. Off the kitchen, we have a large mudroom which accesses the 3-car garage. We also have a great private office, a great laundry room, and a 3-piece bathroom with shower as well. And my next reason are the beautiful bedrooms. The main floor primary bedroom is huge with a cathedral ceiling, large bright windows overlooking the backyard. Leading to the 5-piece ensuite, we have a walk-in closet with custom closet organizers. The ensuite boasts granite counters, double sinks, a large walk-in shower with side jets, and the jet tub nook, a perfect retreat to relax after a long day. Our first bedroom is an enormous size, and it could also serve as a bonus room or teenager retreat because our next 2 bedrooms are equally amazing. Both of them are a great size with double closets. Now, this bedroom has its own 4-piece ensuite. But wait, this one has its own 4-piece ensuite too. Just amazing. Now here we are in the partially finished basement, which is my next reason. Here in the rec room, we have bright above-grade windows, high ceilings, and it walks out to the private patio. We also have a partially finished 5th bedroom with above-grade window, a great workshop with access to the garage, and a partially finished 3-piece bathroom. There's also the storage room and a huge cold cellar. A ton of potential for additional living space, a basement apartment, or in-law suite. Well, thanks everyone for watching this video tour of this stunning home in an amazing quiet location. Check out more information at www.10roseridgelane.com or call our office for your own personal tour, because I know you'll fall in love with it. Until next time, Dave Grime saying, stay safe and we'll see you real soon.